send me the email and everything. If you need the payment upfront for this one, please send it to me so that I can send it to you. Let's jump and let's see what we can achieve together.
Okay. So this is Paravi and Miss Poppy and me. We are teammate and we work for Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube marketing, and all type of digital marketing related work.
I'm okay with you guys with picking any video so that I can just see the process using Docs. And then we do the payment. Yeah, for that, just one video. And then next year, which is next week, 2025 is over, we can quickly jump now into multiple videos so that we can go together because I'm also planning on my end. I don't know if that's okay with you.
Yeah, it's okay. So and sounds good. And definitely we will try our best to provide you the better service.
All right. So I've heard from you, but I've not heard from Poppy. You have been talking, and she'll be the one that I'll be talking with. So
Yeah, she's little
maybe
bit.
she has.
Yeah, she's little bit weak in English, and that is why I'm here.
That's okay.
Okay.
That's okay. As a person who has lived in South Korea, struggling with Korean language and
Yeah.
also doing freelance stuff, I definitely understand that, and I also given many opportunities. So as long as the job is done right, and yeah.
All of the things sounds good to me, and we start with the one of your video. And if you think our service is you are satisfied with our service, then we will go ahead according to your demand and multiple videos. So further communication will go through your Gmail, and one of your videos should we pick from our side, or you will send a link.
Just pick from my, I think the latest video. I'm not uploading any video this year,
Okay,
so
okay, okay.
this
So,
latest video.
okay,
Latest
latest
video.
video we will optimize and 10 USD. But I think it would be very difficult for you if you send only $10 through Western Union or anywhere else. So payment is not the issue, no problem. We will optimize this and you judge our work. And if you're satisfied with our work, then we will go for the package base, no problem.
All right. I'll also research on other. I think like every country has a way of accepting cryptocurrency. I don't know about Bangladesh, but
Yeah,
I'll also research on that on my end.
Bangladesh has lot of restrictions in payment gateways and any other stack also. So no problem. There are lot of payment gateway you can pay us, no problem. If you research on YouTube, you will find. Poppy would be your contact person, and she would be on task with you.
All right. So send me the email and everything. If you need the payment upfront for this one, please send it to me so that I can send it to you. Let's jump and let's see what we can achieve together.
Okay. So thanks for your time, and hope to work with you for a long time. And bye for now.
All right. Amazing. Okay.
Okay, bye bye.
Okay. Bye
Okay.
bye. Let me